In this video, we will learn how to create Gmail account with our phones. Let's go.
At first, you need to open your Gmail.
It is pre-installed. Personally got it. In here, you can press add email address. So you will use Google account because we are going to create Gmails. You need to hit the create account. For my personal use, for work or my business, I'm going to create it for my personal use because I'm not going to create that for a business. Okay, you need to type your first name. Last name is optional. I'll press on the next. Right now, we are on basic information tab. You need to type your gender and the date of your birth. If you don't want to say your gender, you can hit rather not to say. You need to be older than 18 years old, but if you are under 18 years old, you need to talk to your parents to create this one for you. Then hit the next button. Okay, in this tab, you will see that Google choose or recommend a Gmail ID to yourself. But if you don't like them, you can press on create your own Gmail address, then type it, and if it is valid and no one use the Gmail address that you type, your Gmail, it will be accepted and you need to continue creating the account. As an example, if I hit the next button, it says that username is taken. So we need to create a unique username. Okay, right now you need to type your password. You should create a password with at least 8 characters. You need to use numbers. You need to use alphabets. I mean capital letter, small letters. You need to use symbols. You need to use characters. You need to use all of them if you want to have a high security password. So I hide the show password button, then type it, and we are good to go. Okay, in this tab, you need to use your phone number. Then press the next button. Okay, in this tab, you'll see review your account info. You need to press on the next button. So we press that. This is for security and privacy terms. I press I agree. Again, hit the accept button. Cheers, your Gmail account is created. You need to simply press take me to Gmail and done. In my book, I thought that you might like this video. In this video, I convert my phone into a webcam. Don't buy a webcam. You can use your camera phone. Watch this one.